What's up everybody, my name's Jack and you're watching Random Panda Resellers. Today's video, heading out to the Goodwill, and it is a Monday, which if you don't know is a $1.29 sale, so stay tuned, we'll see y'all in there. In the women's shorts and found several of these. Missed me. Normally wouldn't get them, but they are only $2.50 since was it green or half off, so got this one. Here's another one right here. Pretty cool prints. Come, you know, summer they'll sell better, but here's the other one. It's a nice orange color. Pretty wild. I can keep looking through here. Hopefully find some more of those. Miss me's for $2.50 a piece. That's a great deal. So ended up finding two more things. Nice little Patagonia hat. These sell for easy $15-20. It's only $4, so pretty nice deal. And then this is a great brand to look for. Don't know exactly how to pronounce it. I think it's Meredith or Gerbo Francis. Could be incorrect. Might be women's, but these usually sell for $40 or $50. So definitely look for them. The more elaborate, the better. Obviously, some can sell for like 100, maybe even higher than that. So great brand to look for. Keep going through the women's shorts. See what else we find. So I just went through all the men's shorts and found a couple things. This is some nice cool, as you all know, for $5. It's a great deal. These should sell $25-30. I'll show the exact style on them, but great brand to look for. Then I found like, I think it was 4 or 5 of these Adidas, and they're brand new. Look at that. Looks like they came from Going Gone. If you don't know, there's usually like a tag on it like that. Have to make sure to take them off, but definitely get these. There was like 4 or 5 of them. I'll show you as I'm talking about them. For $5, should sell 20-25 bucks a piece. They were the Axis shorts, so come summer, great stuff. We'll keep looking through, see what else we find. All right, I'm in the women's sweaters and just found some Alley Miles, and yellow is $1.29, so definitely be getting that. That is awesome. Keep looking through, see what else we find. Just found an Eileen Fisher. I think it has $6 on it. It's red tag, so normal price, but really nice. Kind of like almost a cardigan hoodie. So ended up finding a couple other things. It's a really nice made in Italy. This is probably a viscous top. It might be some other thing mixed into it, but for $4, you definitely get that. And I also found, if I can get it out of here, some really nice icebreaker. This one's in great shape. Didn't see any holes or issues with it. It is $8 or whatever it would be. Yeah, but these sell great for $35-40, and it's right time of year, so definitely get that. Let's see what else we can find in the women's tops. Alright, found a couple other things. Brand new women's Levi's. Some denim shorts. They're $2.50, so even if they sell for $20, it's a great deal. They are the classic Bermuda, so not bad. This is another great brand to look for called Universal Standard. Don't see it very often. I think I saw the exact long one for like $35, so for $3, great deal. We're gonna head on into our next thrift store, see what else we find. All right, we're at the Guthrie Goodwill, as you all can see here. Probably recognize the room. Found our first thing. It's a real nice John Varvatos, and it's kind of that fancy button-up, hidden button-up shirt. $6.79. That's probably $25-30, pretty easily. I think it's a decent size too. It's like medium or large. Also ended up finding this vintage Eileen Fisher. This is the older tag, if you can kind of see that. There we go. It is a like snap vest, quilted vest. They are asking $9.29, so we'll see if I get it, but I would guess $30-35 for this, so not too bad. We're in the men's button-ups. I head through, see what else we find. Alright, this is a new brand I've never heard of called Acne Studios. You see that? comps kind of all over the place. We're seeing some for 30, 40, all the way upwards to 100, 150. So y'all let me know about this brand. Definitely know in the comments. Sell-through rates weren't great either. It was like 550 sold, but then when I looked through them, a ton of them have watchers on it, so might take a chance, see what happens. Let me know in the comments if you've ever seen this before. So not too bad. We're gonna keep looking through the polos, see what we find. All right, I just found an amazing item in the women's tops. Some Johnny Was Workshop. Normal price $6.29. That is amazing. As y'all know, great brand to look for. Sells for probably 40, 50 bucks. Also found this. This is a great brand, Outdoor Research. Basically anything you find from them, you know, excluding maybe the t-shirts, definitely get them for 5, 6 bucks. This is probably a $30 pearl snap. Just absolutely amazing. We're gonna go through the women's tops, see what else we can find. This is an amazing brand to look for. This is called Citron Santa Monica. This is a silk linen, like floral shirt top thing. These sell for like 50, 60 bucks. Just amazing. This is great size 2X, bigger the better, as you all know. Definitely look out for that brand. Keep looking through the women's, see what else we find. So I ended up finding 2 more things. Show you real quick. Some nice Appraisal Patagonia pants. It's a little bit of wear, but for, I think it was like $7.29. Should sell for probably 30. Found these too. These are Sundance linen, kind of embroidered convertible pants. $7.29. See if I can find the exact style, but should be 25 or 30, so not too bad. Head on out, see what we can find in our next Goodwill or thrift store. So stay tuned, see you there. As y'all saw, we ended up finding several great items at those thrift stores. If you all like this video, definitely hit that like button. And if you don't know, my dad and I ended up starting Whatnot, so definitely check that out. I'll put a link in the description how to get there. We're selling anything from toys, brand new socks, hats, random clothes. So definitely subscribe to it, and you never know what might come in that show. So we'll see you all in the next video. Thanks.